No, but you don't know. There could be insects in there, all kinds. September 1st, I'm walking with Tree Woman and Paul. We don't see.
I auditioned
here we go.
for the role of Tree Woman.
When I could just see the back of you, it looked like you can't see your head at all. Just see like this body, arms, and a tree. That's what it looked like. It looked like a tree woman from a sci-fi movie.
I auditioned. There was a character who was named Tree Woman. I auditioned.
Yeah?
Uh-huh. I didn't get the part.
Tell these people that are coming up that we don't know her. We don't know her, by the way. Look, from behind it looks like...
my mom would do. It's like, it doesn't concern me at all. I'm like, yeah, that's my mom.
Look at her.
If my daughter were here, that's what she would say.
No, look at her from behind. Turn the other way. It looks like you don't see her head. It looks like it's like she's like a from Alien or something, like Tree Woman.
She looks exactly like an alien.
At her distance, we're like, carry your dog.
You lost your dog.
No, it's my dog. She walked by me.
We just met her. We don't know her. The dog might start barking when the dog sees you, Devora. Wow, look at this dog. What is that?
An Akita.
Nice. You ought to get the view from behind. It looks like she's an alien, like Tree Woman. You don't see her head. It's like just growing right out of her neck. Good. Thanks.
It looks like a lizard.
You have more followers, Devora, behind us. You're getting. It's going to be like the Pied Piper. A whole bunch of people following you.
I think it's stuck. I think I'm not going to be able to get it off.
Who's going to drive then? Yeah. I can just see being pulled over by the Washington State Patrol. There's like a tree driving down the interstate.
There's some weird, that reminds me of some weird story about
Doors in the Pacific Northwest. I've never seen these people before. This is like one of the strange rituals they do, like northeast of Seattle. These are like very, very peculiar folks. Let me tell you, this is like surreal. This is unbelievable. Unbelievable. It's increíble. Oh my God. Whew. Okay, signing out. This is Akiva Ripley's Believe It or Not. Dining room for these birds. What'd you call them? Gray what?
Gray jays.
Gray jays.
The other name for them is camp robbers for
Camp
obvious
robbers.
reasons.
Huh. Dining room for these birds. What'd you call them? Gray what?
Gray jays.
Gray jays.
The other name for them is camp robbers for
Camp
obvious
robbers.
reasons.
Huh. Come on, guys, gals. Here comes one.
Oh,
Get it?
I didn't get it.
You didn't get it?
Hold
Get it. I should have broken the piece in half. It was a big piece.
Yeah. Hold your... Throw it nuts too. I do have a little...
Nuts might be a little big unless you break it. Is that bread?
Let me hold your hand out like you would if you were feeding it. And I just want to get focus on it first.
Did you get it?
Yeah.
Look at that.
I got something.
It's taking it away over there.
Wait, hold it.
There's be a nest up there.
Yeah, I got like a blur of something. You get it?
Yeah, I got it.
Oh, look, did you give it to the other one? Or did the other one snatch it from him?
Huh.
Anyway, yeah, I don't think they go away because they get handouts from snowshoers, they get handouts from hikers. Anyway,
I dropped something. He saw that.
This is. Take care.
Bye-bye. Thanks for reminding me about
This is like
Akiva, do you know the soundtrack?
I was telling them about the parakeets and cockatiels and the other
You know?
Australian bird at the Woodland Park Zoo in this building
Right,
they have.
right.
This is like that, except the birds, they just grab the food and leave.
Well, we're about, in a straight line, we're about 3/4 of a mile away from
Cheep, cheep.
Shirley, in a straight line.
In a straight line.
Say hi to Clarice.
We won't be going in a straight line, but
Right. I didn't put the sandwich in the bag because it's decorative.
This is something else. I've never experienced this, like with birds outdoors like this.
Akiva,
Yeah.
are you going to eat?
Yeah.
Yes, actually, I'll put it on continuous.
If you tied a piece of bread to a twig so they had to work at it.
Hey, oh, nice. Could you do that again, please, bird? That was good for the Facebook bird lovers. Nice.
Wait, let me just. I've got. I think
You'll have to hang on a moment.
I could do a continuous. Let me put this in here so I don't get it. I just want to test something here.
Okay, Facebook friends, sorry for the delay here. 47 seconds.
I've
Okay,
got it.
I've been on the whole time. Yeah. Okay. Okay, birds.
Wait.
Jeden, dva, štr. At your mark. Get set.
Wait, we gotta.
Ready.
Right, put that there now.
Go. Let's go. Here we go. Someone's gonna get it. There's another little piece there. Come on. Come on. Who's gonna get that little piece? Nobody. 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 It's too small.
Damn, all this. Let me get some nuts. Let me get a good cashew there.
Got it. It got it.
You got it?
It got it.
Got attacked. Look, he got some
This
on
is-
bagel.
This is huge. Doesn't know what to do. Oh, that was great.
Definitely got that. Look at it.
It's on now.
I will put away some food. No.
Okay, birds. You're gonna be on camera.
All right, it's on.
Yep.
Go ahead.
Got the red light on the left.
Let me get on this side because look at me now. Okay, go.
You should be filming him photographing and laughing. How about moving away a little bit just to get some, it isn't just my hat.
Okay.
Move back about 5 feet. Okay?
You got enough.
Get the whole of me in there. I'll do these aura-like dances. These Indian dances. Is there something up there still?
Wait. You're chasing them away. When you rub your hands, you're chasing them away. Keep your hands down. Keep your hands down like this, and because you're chasing them away.
This is the Yesel song. What's the matter? They're not going? Isn't there something up there?
I think they're being too weird.
Come on.
Your hands are, they take that as go away, your hand motion. There you go. Okay.
What are we doing up there? Having a bat? Hey! You're not landing on my glasses.
Okay.
Okay, this is it.
That's good.
That's all, folks.